Hello and welcome back. Today, we are going to explore how to perform basic arithmetic operations within the Solidity programming language, which is essential for developing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Let's get started. As you know, Solidity developed by Ethereum is a high-level language designed for implementing smart contracts that run on the Ethereum virtual machine. Smart contracts are programs that execute exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, fraud, or third-party interference. In Solidity, performing mathematical operations is straightforward. Today, we will cover 6 basic operations. Let's dive into each one of these with examples. Let's start with addition. Addition combines two numbers to produce their sum. And here we have this example. We have a contract and we have two variables. We declare state variables, which is first one and the second one. And after that, we define a function to set the value of the first variable and other function to set a value for the second variable. And finally, we define a function to add the two variables to perform the addition. So after that, we have a result in variable sum. So we have first number and second number, and this is the result. Next is subtraction. This operation subtracts one number from another. As you can see here, we have example. In this example, we have a contract. And in this example, we have two state variable and we initialized values for these two variables. Here we have first one number, which is 2, second number, which is 10. Then we define a function to subtract these two numbers. So we have first number, subtract second number, and return the result. As you can see here, we have this -8, which is the result. Moving on to multiplication, which combines two numbers to produce their product, we have this example. We have a contract and we have two variables. And after that, we have a function to assign value for the first number and other function to assign a value for the second number. And finally, we have a function to multiply these two variables and return the answer, which is the result. So here, as you can see here, we have the first number and second number, and here we have the results. Division is our next operation, which divides one number by another number. So here we have this example. We have a contract. We declare state variables, which are first number and second number. Define also a function to assign a value for first number. Define a function to assign a value for the second number, and define a function to return the result. But before that, for sure, perform the operations. So we have first number, second number, and we have the results. Modulus operations or reminders finds the remainder after division of one number by another. So in this example, we have a contract and we declare state variables, first number 1 and second number 1. We define a function as a previous for the assigned value for first number, define a function to assign a variable, value for the second one. And finally, we define a function to return the remainder. As you can see here, we have the first one, 21, and here we have 10, and the result will be 1. Lastly, we have exponential, which raises one number to the power of another. So here we have this example. As the previous example, we have two variables, two functions to assign a variables for to assign a value for these two variables, and the last one is a function that calculates the exponents. So we have 2 to power 10, and this is the result. As you can see, these operations are straightforward, but there are some important details to keep in mind. First, ensure that the data types of the operands are compatible with the operations. For example, you cannot directly add integer to string. Second, when dividing integers, the result will be always an integer. Any fractional part is truncated. Third, exponential operation is only available for unsigned integers. So keep these in mind. Thank you for watching our tutorial and stay tuned for more content on solidity language programming.